Now let's have a look on the comparison operators. We have these 6 operators for comparing the value, such as the double equals to, single equals to is the assignment operator, while double equals to is the comparison operator, which compares whether two values are equal or not. If the values are equal, it will return a true, otherwise false, and very opposite is a not equals to operator. Greater than when you want to compare the greater value, lesser than when you want to compare the lesser value, and very similarly greater than equals to, less than equals to. It will compare the greater as well as the equality. So all these operators will compare two values and will always return a boolean, either true or false, on the basis of the comparison made. So let's see practically how can we start implementation